Hey everyone, this is Sudhakar from Writesonic, your SEO expert. Today I came up with another interesting platform which is called as Writesonic. So I recently got a client who is into visas, migration, etc. But he couldn't pay a lot of money to start off with. So I offered him with the cheaper rates and for the tool which I've been using for him is absolutely not an expensive SEO tool, which is pretty much a free tool which is called as Writesonic. In this particular platform, I was able to research the keywords he wanted. I was able to make sure that I create some AI content, but obviously not completely copy pasting it, optimizing it with the proper keyword optimization, and then repurposing the old content. In this way, I was able to provide services to the client, but also save a lot of money from big tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs. So let me show you quickly what all it has. In this particular platform, you can do the keyword research in different stats. I would usually prefer AI topic cluster. Affordable SEO is my keyword and my target location is Australia. Create cluster. As you can see, the affordable SEO keyword is available. The average difficulty for this one is 8 and it's a search intent. The volume for this is 1.5 per month, which is awesome. So all the keywords over here, I can use it to create a particular blog. You can see affordable SEO Melbourne, which has a great volume, and affordable SEO for small businesses. Look at this, it's a zero difficulty. I can literally make an article out of it and win just like that. All these topics you can target on creating multiple blog sites, and you can see the average difficulties over here, which is super simple. And also you can see the ask the people section over here. You can literally ask put in your keyword and it will show you all the related questions what your clients are asking. You can use this repurpose section where you can literally paste the content which you have on your blogs, and literally it does rephrasing over here in this section. What else do we have? Content AI articles. You can choose whatever 10-step articles, and start FAQs, images, and amazing. Like you can go till 5,000 words, which is amazing, right? So there are multiple things you can give it a shot, as you can see, and let me know how do you find this particular platform. It's good for research. I highly recommend this, and drop down comments. How do you find this platform? And for many more interesting videos for SEO and digital marketing, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next video tomorrow. Until then, take care.